This year marks the 70th anniversary of the establishment of China-Indonesia diplomatic ties. What's your take on the overall China-Indonesia relations?
The 70th years of cooperation signifies an enduring and strong relation between Indonesia and China. In 2013, for example, we have elevated our relation into a strategic, comprehensive partnership. Furthermore, the bilateral relation is very strong and is reflected, among others, on the investment. China is number 2 foreign investor in Indonesia. And then during the pandemic, it is not easy to manage the relation amidst this pandemic. But Indonesia and China, we are able to manage a good relation even during the tough time, the difficult time during the pandemic. So I'm very glad with the strong relation between Indonesia and China.
Could you please share some updates on the cooperation between China and Indonesia on Phase 3 clinical trial of the vaccine? And how do you evaluate the cooperation between the two sides on the fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic?
Indonesia, in this case is Biopharma, had a cooperation with one of the company in China, Sinovac, and we just started the 3rd phase of clinical trial. And so far, up to now, we didn't receive any bad reaction, reverse reaction from this clinical trial. Of course, we have to wait until the end of the clinical trial. So during my visit to Hainan, I had also the opportunity, together with the state-owned enterprises minister, Minister Thohir, we had a meeting with a number of vaccine manufacturers of China, including Sinovac, Sinopharm, and also CanSino. We discussed with them how we can strengthen our cooperation, in particular the vaccine cooperation.
The pandemic is seriously affecting the global economy and international relations. However, some forces are trying to politicize the virus and stigmatize China in order to shift to responsibility. What's your take on the politicization of the virus?
I think if you observe my statement or the position of Indonesia, we are very consistent that amidst this very challenging time in the pandemic, in the time that we are all facing the pandemic, one thing that we have to do together, that is collaboration and cooperation.